Hello and welcome to my classroom tour. Um, Here is the classroom. This is our lineup dots, and they're all like colored. And here is where the lunch boxes go. These are our backpack hooks. We've got clocks for the students who can read time and to keep the teachers on track. This is all of the students' independent desks. We've got lots of flexible like seating options. And as we come along here, we've got some windows for some more natural light, and we've got a bunch of different lamp options around to adjust the lighting of the room. So this is our first station. All of our stations are color coded. This station here is the red station, and this is a teacher workstation. And we've got chairs for the students and for the teacher to sit here, and then this is a little teacher desk over here and shelves for storage. And then as we come around here, this is our toy like play area, and we've got storage for the toys. And then our yellow over here is the task box, like a little workbox station, for various little like task boxes. And then as we come over here, this green station, this is another teacher workstation, just like the last one, for another teacher to work with students. Then over here we have our art station. So this is where students can come do crafts and art activities. This is our reading, our little library area, lots of book options, some comfortable little cushions for students to sit on. And then this over here is our job station. So all of the students will have jobs during the job time of the day. So this is where they get to come over, look at their job, get the supplies for their job. If they need to come sit down and work on it over here, this is the area. And then next we have the computers and iPads. So this is where the students can go during computer time. They can pick up iPads out of here. And then we have the carpet for lessons and circle time. This is a little trash can. And each student has their own colored cushion, so they know where they're going to sit. And this is the whiteboard for the teacher. And then as we come back around here, this is our little sensory area. We've got some toys. This is a bulletin board to display student work and upcoming activities and events and stuff like that. Another trash can. And then this is where the data sheets are displayed. So for any teachers or paras to collect each student's data sheet. So as I reflecting on this room, I have kind of rethought how I would do some things. It's a lot of work to kind of change it up at this point, but I think if I were going to redo it, I would move some of these different stations around. So like, I don't think I would put the sensory station right by the door, just in case, if a student's not doing great and wants to elope, that isn't the safest option. So I think I might swap that with another one. Another thing I would change is I would likely not have like the toy area near like this teacher work areas. I'd probably put that a little farther away since that can be more of a loud environment, and so I'd want to kind of separate the louder environments, like the work areas and maybe the arts and crafts. I'd probably put those together. So I might, in that case, swap the purple and the orange. But yeah, so this is my classroom, and yay!